Need to fix Claude AI not working on iPhone? Then in today's video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is move into your application Claude AI. Once you're in this page, close the application and then reopen it. It will refresh the app. After that, the next thing you want to do is check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is strong enough. Once done, now you need to head over to Safari and in the address bar search for Claude AI outage, or you can search for Claude status. Once the page has been loaded, head over to the very first site. In this page, you can check whether the server of Claude AI is down or not. Sometimes all operation might not be working, and in that case, your application server might be down. All you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed and then you'll be good to go. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar you need to search for Claude AI. Moving to this app, you have to make sure that the application Claude AI is up to date. If not, click on Update and update the app. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.